The wheel of time is moving constantly, leaving behind the old and progressing towards the new. With each passing moment, the sun is the source of energy on Earth. The entire solar system functions by its energy and light. This is what shapes life and the world. Man is also a part of this cosmos, and Nabhi is the center of his energy, also known as the Surya Chakra. There are 7 chakras in the human body: Mooladhara Chakra, Swadhisthana Chakra, Nabhi Chakra, Anahat और हृदय चक्र, विशुद्धा चक्र, अजना और आज्ञा चक्र, एंड ब्रह्मरंध्र और सहस्त्रार चक्र.
सबसे पहले जो मूलाधार है, जिसको हम प्रथम चक्र,
The first chakra is Mooladhara Chakra. It is made of 2 words, Mool and Adhar.
का अर्थ है पूरे शरीर को जिसमें आत्मा अवस्थित है.
The soul needs a base to reside in the body. This chakra provides that base.
ये हमको पूरी तरह से आधार देता है इस शरीर में निवास करने के लिए. दूसरा है स्वाधिष्ठान. स्वाधिष्ठान से
The second is Swadhisthana.
जो
It governs the reproduction center.
तो यदि हम
If we want progeny, then this center must be controlled and balanced.
इस सेंटर को कंट्रोल में रखना पड़ेगा. न इसको बैलेंस रखेंगे जब तक हम, तभी इससे काम ले पाएंगे. इसके ऊपर आता है नाभि चक्र.
Above this is the Nabhi Chakra.
जैसे सौर मंडल
Just as the sun gives light and energy to the solar system,
चलाता है,
the Nabhi Chakra is responsible for distributing light and energy to all the body parts.
और पूरे शरीर को ऊर्जा देता है. हमारे सब अंग प्रत्यंग को ऊर्जा देने
It
का काम
energizes, cleanses and activates the 2 chakras below it and the 4 chakras above it.
ऊर्जीकृत करता है, एक्टिवेट करता है और क्लींज करता है. इसके ऊपर के अब 4 चक्र.
The 4th chakra is the Hridaya or Anahat Chakra.
हृदय चक्र से हम
Through this chakra, we experience joys and sorrow, tears and laughter.
और ये एक गेटवे है.
This is the gateway of love and affection.
इसको अनाहत चक्र भी कहते हैं. इसके बाद आता है
After this is Vishuddha.
तो जो विशुद्धि है वो हमारे जो सिस्टम में
This controls the glands in the neck region and our speech.
कंट्रोल करता है. इसके बाद आता है हमारा
Then comes the Guru Chakra,
जिसको अजना,
which we also call Ajna.
वहां पर
Here the 3 nadis, Ida, Pingla and Shushmana come together. This chakra is important, especially if we want to grow spiritually and increase our telepathic strength. But we can only energize this chakra if we are able to activate and cleanse the chakras below it.
और क्लींज कर पाए.
After this, finally comes the Sahasrara Chakra, which is also called the Brahmarandra.
ब्रह्मरंध्र का अर्थ है जो ब्रह्म है.
Brahmarandra opens when you are ready to unite with the cosmos. But it happens only when the 6th chakra is activated.
तब वो चक्र खुलता है, परंतु 6 के द्वारा ही.
Nabhi is the center in the human body, from where 72,000 nadis originate and distribute energy to the body and light to the mind. Displacement of this important center results in improper flow of energy to the body, leading to illness. We have not understood the underlying meaning of the illustrations of gods and goddesses based on the traditional beliefs and have remained entangled in simply worshipping them. In this picture, a lotus is blooming from Lord Vishnu's Nabhi, in which Brahma, the creator of the universe, is seated. Lord Vishnu is secure even though resting on the Sheshanaga, which represents uncountable deadly diseases. His consort Lakshmi is serving him. All the gods and goddesses are standing in veneration. If a human being's Nabhi is balanced, then he too can enjoy good health and happiness like Lord Vishnu. Another meaning of Vishnu is Manav or man. In this world, the entity of all human being is deeply connected to the Nabhi. In the mother's womb, the development of a baby starts from the Nabhi. Connected through the Nabhi, the baby takes on a beautiful form. Receiving energy and light from the Nabhi, the new form comes alive, separated from the mother after childbirth. The Nabhi remains the core of his energy. Displacement of Nabhi from its center leads to illnesses arising in the body. Forgetting this simple yet deep truth connected to the Nabhi is the reason why today humanity is afflicted by disease and suffering. After all, how did such a great truth become far removed from man's life? How did man forget this important knowledge of saints and sages connected to the human body? How did he become ignorant of the fact that Nabhi is the root of all diseases? Today, man is stricken with various diseases, suffering at times due to physical maladies and at times due to mental afflictions, surrounded with various illnesses. He seems to have lost his path, running from pillar to post, whereas he himself has been bestowed with incredible power within. All he needs to do is know and understand the Nabhi and keep it balanced.
जो हमारे ऋषि मुनि थे,
our saints and sages knew how to balance their Nabhi easily through herbs. There were some other traditional methods also, like using a lota, an earthen lamp, or by tying a thread on the toes of the feet. Some people knew how to balance the Nabhi even through mantras. But now these people are few and far between. And because this point is very sensitive, one should only get it balanced from an expert.
Seeing today's conditions, there was a pressing need to revive ancient knowledge. In this direction, formulating a medicine to balance the Nabhi by Swami Muktananda Ji is an important step forward for the benefit of well-being of entire human race.
The Surya Chakra is the foundation of our prosperity and health. For this, our Rishi Munis gave a mantra. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, kar madhe Saraswati, kar mule tu Govinda, prabhate kar darshanam. Keeping this mantra in mind, we should wake up early in the morning, bring together in line our Manibandha Rekha, straighten our hands, and check whether our little fingers are equal in height or not. If they are, that means our Nabhi Chakra is okay, and we may proceed with our daily routine and work.
Confident of the fact that we have received the Guru Mantra for being healthy. The Nabhi Chakra is the base of a healthy body. For a beautiful and healthy life, do take 1 tablet of Nabhi Chakra every week. For more information, contact us at these numbers.